Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I am back today with two trades. They were both pound pairs. They were based on pound strength, and also I traded a great way to trade. That's using the goal line and the indicators down at the bottom. So let's start off with the first one here. Looks Pound Aussie, let's run a check on it. Drag and drop it up. See where we got in at. Got in at this cursor right here. I got in both these. This trade was 13 minutes after 7, and the other one, Pound New Zealand, was 6:40 a.m. New York time. Got in at this cursor right here, and it did go against me about 8 pips, not a big deal. And I closed it out for no particular reason other than I was happy with the totals, and also I saw that it was around the ADR high, and then I ended up getting 45 pips, and 45 pips on the Pound Aussie paid $3,103. So that was a very good trade. Almost got my 50 pips in one trade. So let's move on to the Pound New Zealand. Let's see how that looks. Let's drag and drop it up and see where I got in at. This one did a bit of a pullback, which that's just the way the market moves. Sometimes it'll just keep going up, and sometimes it'll do a bit of a pullback. But as long as you know the overall trend, then all you got to do is hang tight for that pullback, which was about 19 or 20 pips. Not a big deal, especially for a Pound New Zealand and or any pound pairs. They all move a lot. 20 pips will rarely like you need more than a 20 pip stop. So this one here is 27 pips. And 27 pips on the Pound New Zealand paid $1,715. So on this day, which is September the 24th, during the New York time frame here, I ended up getting a grand total of 72 pips, and 72 pips paid $4,818. Love trading with the BB trigger. If you also like trading Bollinger Bands, I suggest you get in touch with me. I can tell you more about it, and to do so all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's the BB trigger system. I do charge $250 for it. Now this system has over 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Would not trade without it. It finds trades every day for me. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and this is what you need to master trading the Forex markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and so I teach a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there are 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos along with this $1 million trade plan. That's where you can start with a small account, $1,000, and in less than a year you turn that into $1 million. So now my number one way of trading is a great way to trade. Exactly the way I traded today works great. And now what makes the BB trigger system just a little bit better than my other trigger systems. Now they're all really good, my trigger systems. It just depends on which one you like. And so it's within these 5 or 6 things that I teach here, these topics. Now in each and every video I give out a lot of advanced training and trading tips. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries. I teach how to stay in the trade for more pips, how to trade at the right hand edge. This is where every new trader struggles with. trying to get into the trade or the timing of the trade. I teach how to trade higher time frames, not only on the buttons up here on top, but also on the AO. And of course, I teach how to trade the BB trigger version number 2. So moving right along, now in many videos I show dozens and dozens of great trade setups. I teach how to back test the BB trigger, how to scan the market, how to scalp the market. I teach how to trade Asian session along with the other 2. And of course I teach how to trade this London close. Now I teach how to trade pullbacks along with the complete reversals. Looks like if it breaks through this goal line and keeps going down, that would be a reversal. Also teach how to trade around the goal line. There's always a lot of trading opportunities around the goal line. Also teach how to trade the news. A little bit more difficult, but you can do it. I recommend a great way to trade. It is much easier, and you'll be making pips much faster than if you were trading the news. I also teach how to trade with a day job. In other words, traders in North or South America can either get up a few hours before they go to work, or when they come home after work, they can trade the Asian session. And of course, if you get up before, you'll be doing the London, like in this move right here. Look at how many pips. It's well over 100 pips. This is probably 150 pips here. So lots of pips to be made starting from the London time frame. So if you have any questions, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I do prefer Skype. I made it simple and easy. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have contact. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, which will probably take about 45 minutes. Now, over the course of many years, I built 27 trigger systems. And if you click on this link, you'll see screenshots of each one of them. So that just about wraps up this video and another day of trading. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.